What's up, everybody? We are back again with another build here. We've got an 06 Silverado 1500 in here, and it is in need of some love. This thing's getting a 4-inch rough country suspension kit. It's getting fuel rush wheels, which is a new style for this year. We haven't seen them yet in person, so this is gonna be pretty nice to see them on this. And then we've got a set of BFG KO2s. Big thing with this one, it needs love on the front end. The front end is like completely shot, so it's getting a whole rebuild on there. A lot of times when we are doing lift kits on these older trucks, we do a full rebuild while we're already in there. It's more cost effective to the customer, but when it leaves here, it's like brand new. So this one, it's getting new upper and lower control arms, inner and outer tie rods, new CV axles, it's getting hubs, idler arm and pitman arm. I mean, it's literally getting everything in the front. So other than that, this thing should turn out pretty dang good. So we're anxious to see what it looks like when it's done. All right, as you can see, the Chevy is all done, out of the shop, ready to go. This thing, as you saw, got a rough country 4-inch kit on here. It got the BFG KO2 tires, the Fuel Rush in the all black, which is a new wheel, and pretty slick looking if you ask me. So pretty simple build, but we did do the entire front end rebuild on there. So this thing drives and rides just like it was new.